Is Dr. Robert Kourin. I'm a dentist. I practice in Red Bank and Middletown, New Jersey. And I have several different things that I like to talk about that are very important. Everybody knows that it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And as it turns out that for 1 minute and 5 cents a nickel, you can reduce the incidence of breast cancer by 1,000%. Do you know how?
How? Tell me.
You don't know. You almost spilled the beans. By flossing.
Oh,
By flossing, because gum disease is a very important problem in inflammation throughout the body. It actually contributes to Alzheimer's, pancreatic cancer, weight gain, IQ loss, early birth defects. So by flossing, you're able to eliminate the inflammation that causes and contributes to breast cancer and other problems.
What?
Yeah, absolutely. There was a study that came out about 9 months ago from the Karolinska Institute in Sweden, and they found that actually women with breast cancer who had gum disease, it was an 11,000% greater chance of having breast cancer when they had gum problems and they lost teeth because of it. So one of the best ways of preventing gum disease and preventing breast cancer is taking good care of your mouth and your teeth. And that's by getting cleanings at least every 6 months, and by home care, which is flossing or cleaning the bacteria from around your teeth. And I do a lot with helping people maintain their health in their mouth. I have a website called Flossing for Life, which actually is to help people know about the benefits of keeping their mouth healthy and clean. And my own website, drkourin.com, K-O-R-W-I-N. And I practice in Red Bank, New Jersey. I have a very big practice. I enjoy new patients, and it's wonderful working with people. I love people.
Doctor, you touch my spirit. I want you to talk more about that breast cancer and the tooth decaying or the gum disease. It's very much important that people get this type of message out there because they don't know, they're not educated about
Absolutely. Well, it's unfortunate that most people don't understand or until it's too late. When they start noticing that their tooth is getting loose, that's already too late. So, but it's never when the tooth gets loose. Sometimes you can save it, and I have many ways of doing that because I've been practicing for 30 years, and I know a lot of different tricks to save teeth that other dentists will say, well, it's hopeless. You really have to take it out. But the important thing is you have to take care of the infection around the teeth, and you can't do that unless you're in charge. And you're in charge by brushing correctly, by flossing correctly. We teach people how to do that all the time. And by also cleaning the bacteria around your teeth that hardens. After a few days, the soft bacteria hardens into hard deposits that you can't clean off with a floss or with brush or doing it by yourself. So you have to go to the dentist and get that off. So a lot of people, as a matter of fact, need cleanings every 3 months because it builds up and it causes inflammation. If you had the same type of inflammation on your skin anywhere in your body that a lot of people have in their mouths, you'd go running to the doctor because you say, oh my God, this is awful. It looks terrible. It's swollen. It's bleeding. If I touch you on your arm, you don't bleed. But if you touch your gums and you bleed, that's not healthy. That's a sign of poor health. And I want to get the message out to people to understand that it's not just about your teeth. It's also about the rest of you.
Yeah, that is so good. Your message, because I know behind every good doctor there is a good wife.
Yes. Well, I'm actually a life coach. And I believe that this is the house we dwell, our outside. But if you look at a house from the outside, sometimes you see a beautiful house, but the inside is empty. And I believe that we should have the inside is more important than the outside is very important, but I believe that we should love ourselves enough from the inside to be true to who we are and just accept ourselves and love ourselves. And that's what I do. I help motivate people to have self-love and stop the negative self-talk that constantly goes around and around in their heads. So that's what I do. So he fixes teeth, he fixes teeth, I fix the spirit. Site is Susan Kourin, KORWIN.com.
Contact with you.
And I'm Dr. Kourin, DRKORWIN.com.